vi ud og rejse lidt. Vi skal til spændende lande i en flyvemaskine. Først tager vi til Afrika, hvor alle de er sorte og ingen tøj har på. De ligger i en hængekøj, dovner hele dagen og spiser kun banan. Og aben er deres bedste ven. Altid er de sammen, de ligner jo hinanden. Der er så sjovt i Afrika, ja ja ja. Flyvemaskine, stop her ved vi af. Så når du ser en neger på din vej, så bliv ikke ræd, for han er næsten ligesom dig. Han ser da godt nok meget mærkelig ud, men husk på min ven, det skyldes mest hans flade tud. Nu tager vi så til Kinas land, hvor øjnene er skæve og huden den er gul, ja. De har et meget mærkeligt sprog, ingen kan forstå det, det er rene volapyk.
And we will make America great again.
Killing the game, feeling like I'm hunting safari. You got that Jesus on your chain while you do nothing but party. I got my weed, I got my drink, but I'm focused. Gandhi, I feel the focus on me, so I'm taking over shortly. Money on my mind, but only because it's king. Obama $sign, my president is green. Run up in your residence, rip apart everything. Generation don't give a fuck about anything. Never wanted to be an astronaut. I was just an outcast who would rap a lot. Behind music, pussy was an afterthought. Who'da knew I'd be here or even half as hot? And so I wait while you sleep, train while you eat. Bite the bullet, you can see the stains on my teeth. Treat the beat like the battlefield. Call me Kublai Khan, I'm on the sun. I don't know what planet you been on. She my moon, I'm a stars. Hold me down while I'm gone. She's at peace, I'm at war. Together we make hip-hop. Up while the city sleeps, I don't need a peep watch. Tick-tock, countdown to when the beat drop. It's just us now, cut the loose strings. Turn the lights down and let your mood swing. Heart race to the finish as we shed clothes. Let go of the ego, making your head grow. Whoa, I'm too hot, I'm so cold. They told me don't stop, keep going. You're so full of yourself, right? Only think of yourself, right? All you need is yourself, right? You're truly the definition of I. So take it off, take it all off. The naked body is part of who we are. So take it all off, break it all off. The naked body is part of who we are. So we dance in the rain, drop all things. Put our hands to the stars like we just won the ball game. But we ain't playing for the fortune, we ain't playing for the fame. Matter of fact, we ain't even playing the game. Life is what you make it, you can give it, you can take it. You can waste it chasing bitches, so listen to what I'm saying. 2020 vision isn't a given when you was wasting. A system full of the prisons and shitty education. I'm out, let me re-up. What we need's love, what we need's home cooking and good bud. Let's have a powwow and make some music. You can play the drums while I Langston use it. It's classic, this rap shit is tired, it lacks passion. Fuck your world star mind frame, my lane's way past it. Just imagine all the places we could go. So drop your makeup and take off your clothes. Whoa. Really though, sometimes you just gotta let it all go. Yourself, right? Only think of yourself, right? All you need is yourself, right? You're truly the definition of I. So take it off, take it all off. The naked body is part of who we are. So take it all off, break it all off. The naked body is part of who we are.